If you're stuck choosing between Salesforce and HubSpot, you're probably picking the wrong one for the wrong reason. Everyone says Salesforce wins on power and HubSpot wins on simplicity. But after testing both with real sales teams, the actual choice has nothing to do with features. It comes down to one decision most people get backwards. One has a pricing trap that quietly drains budgets. The other hits a ceiling no one warns you about. Stick around and grab both free trials in the description before you decide. First, let's talk about Salesforce. Salesforce is often called the enterprise king, and that title is earned. This isn't just a CRM, it's a platform. Think of it like building a house. You get the blueprint, the foundation, and every single brick, nail, and custom window you could imagine. The core use case is for large companies with complex, multi-layered sales processes that need to track everything from a lead in Tokyo to a contract negotiation in London. Now, ease of use is where Salesforce starts to show its true nature. It's powerful, but that power comes with a price, a notoriously steep learning curve. This isn't a tool you just log into and start using. It demands setup, administration, and often dedicated internal resources or consultants. The interface can feel like a cockpit, which is great if you're flying a jumbo jet, but overwhelming if you're just trying to get to the local grocery store. For a small team without technical expertise, this is a major roadblock. When we look at features, the depth is staggering. You get advanced reporting, AI-driven analytics with Einstein, and an integration ecosystem that can connect to virtually any other business system you own. This is where Salesforce flexes. You can build custom objects, automate incredibly intricate workflows, and generate reports that would make a data scientist proud. But this depth means simplicity is sacrificed. The feature set is vast, but finding and configuring exactly what you need can feel like a treasure hunt without a map. Pricing is a critical category. Salesforce operates on a per-user, per-cloud model. The entry point is higher, and costs scale significantly as you add users and modules like Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, or Marketing Cloud. For a small business, the monthly bill can quickly become a sobering reality. There's value there, but it's value for a specific audience, the enterprise that needs this level of control and can budget for it. For others, it can feel like a financial trap. Performance and reliability are top tier. Salesforce is built for scale and handles massive data loads and thousands of users without buckling. It's a trusted, stable platform for mission-critical operations. You're not going to worry about downtime crashing your sales cycle. Customization and flexibility are Salesforce's crown jewel. This is the unique differentiator. You can mold it to fit your exact business processes, not the other way around. From custom fields and page layouts to entirely bespoke applications built on their platform, the ceiling is essentially non-existent. But here's the trade-off. That flexibility requires expertise. You either need to become an expert or pay one. Collaboration tools like Chatter allow teams to communicate and share documents directly within the platform, keeping context tied to records. It's baked into the ecosystem. Scalability is where Salesforce truly shines. It is designed to grow with you from 100 users to tens of thousands, handling increasing complexity without requiring a platform switch. This is a long-term solution. Customer support comes with extensive documentation, a vast global community of experts and users, and multiple support channels. You have resources, but navigating them to solve your specific complex issue can still be a project. Security is enterprise grade, with robust data encryption, compliance certifications, and protocols that meet the highest standards. Your data is locked down. So, who is Salesforce for? It's for the established enterprise, the large organization with deep technical resources, complex global processes, and a budget that matches its ambitions. It's not about being the easiest tool on the shelf. It's about being the most capable tool in the workshop. If your sales process is straightforward, this might feel like using a space shuttle to deliver pizza. But if your operation is the mission to Mars, it's the only vehicle that can get you there. The hidden trade-off? The immense setup cost both in time and money before you even start driving value. It's a marathon, not a sprint. All right, let's break down HubSpot. Now, this is the CRM everyone seems to love for its simplicity. But is it just simple, or is it actually smarter? First, the entry point. HubSpot has a famously robust free tier. You can manage contacts, track deals, and use basic email marketing without paying a dime. That's incredible for a startup or a solo marketer just getting started. Their paid plans, like the Starter Growth Suite, unlock more contacts, marketing automation, and live chat. The pricing here is straightforward, tiered, and feels affordable. But here's the first joke. HubSpot's pricing is so upfront, you'll wonder if they missed the memo on how SaaS companies usually operate. But this ease of use and transparent pricing leads directly to the core experience. HubSpot's interface is famously intuitive. The dashboard is clean. Setting up a contact property, building a simple email sequence, or viewing a sales pipeline doesn't require a manual or a consultant. You can genuinely figure it out yourself in a day. This is its biggest strength. For small to mid-sized teams where everyone needs to use the CRM, sales, marketing, maybe even service, this low learning curve is a productivity lifesaver. However, if you're a power user coming from a more complex system, you might initially feel underwhelmed. It's simple, but is it powerful enough? Let's talk features. HubSpot is an all-in-one platform. CRM, Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, Service Hub, even a CMS. Everything is designed to work together seamlessly. Lead scoring, email automation, social media posting, ticket management, it's all under one roof. The integration between these hubs is excellent. A contact's entire journey from anonymous visitor to paying customer to support ticket can be tracked in one record. This is where HubSpot shines for growing businesses that want alignment between departments. But here's the trade-off: depth. While it covers a vast range of functionalities, the advanced capabilities within each area can feel limited compared to specialized standalone tools or enterprise platforms. Their reporting is good, but not infinitely customizable. Their automation is powerful, but not endlessly complex. It's the Swiss Army knife, great for many tasks, but not the specialist tool for any single one. Now, customization and scalability. HubSpot allows custom fields, workflows, and pipelines. You can tailor it to your process, but compared to platforms built on a foundation of endless customization, HubSpot's flexibility has a ceiling. As your business grows and your processes become highly unique and intricate, you might start feeling constrained. You can't rebuild the entire data model. You can't code deeply bespoke applications on top of it. This is HubSpot's silent ceiling. It scales wonderfully from even a CMS. Everything is designed to work together seamlessly. Lead scoring, email automation, social media posting, ticket management, it's all under one roof. The integration between these hubs is excellent. A contact's entire journey from anonymous visitor to paying customer to support ticket can be tracked in one record. This is where HubSpot shines for growing businesses that want alignment between departments. But here's the trade-off: depth. While it covers a vast range of functionalities, the advanced capabilities within each area can feel limited compared to specialized standalone tools or enterprise platforms. Their reporting is good, but not infinitely customizable. Their automation is powerful, but not endlessly complex. It's the Swiss Army knife, great for many tasks, but not the specialist tool for any single one. Now, customization and scalability. HubSpot allows custom fields, workflows, and pipelines. You can tailor it to your process, but compared to platforms built on a foundation of endless customization, HubSpot's flexibility has a ceiling. As your business grows and your processes become highly unique and intricate, you might start feeling constrained. You can't rebuild the entire data model. You can't code deeply bespoke applications on top of it. This is HubSpot's silent ceiling. It scales wonderfully for most SMBs, but when you cross into truly large, so the simple choice? It's not about which software is better, it's about which tool is the right hammer for your nail. You are either a Salesforce company or a HubSpot company. If your company is a large enterprise with complex sales processes, a dedicated IT admin team, and a budget for a fully customized ecosystem, Salesforce is your powerhouse. The depth, customization, and scalability are worth the investment and learning curve. You'll get a system that can mirror your intricate operations precisely. If you're a growing SMB, a startup, or a team that needs to get moving fast without a PhD in CRM configuration, HubSpot is your launchpad. Its intuitive, all-in-one platform means you'll stop wasting hours fighting your software and actually start engaging customers and closing deals faster. The value, especially from the free tier, is exceptional. Ready to see which one fits your world? I've got direct links to both platforms in the description where you can explore their pricing and start a free trial. Find the one that feels like your business, built in.